Hello everyone, welcome back to EST Speak unboxing. So as you can see, we just received another package from Lazada. This is a car plastic rivet fastener fender bumper cap clips. So you can use this to just fasten some bumpers, fenders, and it can hold it. So now let's unboxing it, and then I'll show you how you can use this one. Okay, let's get started about this. Okay, so first just cut this. You can use anything to, like a knife, so I use this one. Very easy to open. So I just put on the carbonate. I didn't have, just change some environment. Yeah, things look good. So try to find a way. Okay, here we are. Oh, I just use one hand. Sorry guys. My photographer is far away from there. Okay, so here we go. About to unboxing it. So let's get it started with this and see what is inside. Ah, okay, so let's open it and see what is inside. Oh, we have some documents. So here are the clips. So I'm gonna show you. Let me open my bonnet. Okay, so I just opened my bonnet and you can see what is inside here, and you can see like I lost some of the clips. See here, this first one, second one, third, fourth one. Yeah, so if you have this kind of problem, I think you should order from online and then you can put by yourself. Alright, so let's see how we're gonna put this. Let me start with this one. So it's very easy, just push it like that, and then you end up pushing this on top. Yeah, just hold it. Okay, second one, same procedures like that one, and then push it. Very easy. And another one here, and push. Okay, fourth one here, and then push. Okay, let me check, let me double check. We don't have another one. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all you, all my subscribers. Please, I want to thank you all for watching this channel and subscribe and like it. So for those who didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and share. Thank you so much. Cheers.